Are you trying to log into your US Bank online banking and you're having an issue with it? Then in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of fixes to fix US Bank login not working. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. Now the most important thing that you need to know while trying to log into your account is that you need to enter in your correct credentials. Other than this, also make sure to select your correct account type. So from the account type option, click on this arrow. A drop down menu will open up and select your type of online banking that you're using. So if you choose any other type of account instead of the one that you created, you won't be able to log in. So make sure that you select the correct one and then type in your username as well as your password correctly. If you don't remember either of these information, you can click on Get Login Help. Here you can type in these details to recover your password. Or if you don't remember your username either, or you have any doubts with it, you can click on I don't know my username and follow the steps to recover your username. After you recovered both your username and your password, you can type it in and then click on login. If you're still not being able to log into your account, the other thing that you can try out is clear the data and cookies of your web browser. If you're using any web browser, you should have a 3-dot line on the top right. Click on that option and then click on settings. And on the left hand side, you'll see privacy and security. Click on that option and click on clear browsing data. Once you're here, just select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. When your web browser stores a lot of cookies and cached files, these kind of problems occur. So make sure you select these and click on clear data. Once you clear out that data, you can just close off this web browser and then reopen again and try logging in. This time you should be able to log into your account without having any issues. If you're still not being able to log into your account, then the last thing that I suggest you to do is wait out a couple of hours before you try logging in again. Because at this moment, the US Bank account or the US Bank may be having an issue with their systems. So in this case, you won't be able to use any of their online services. So you'll need to wait out until they fix the issue. Or lastly, you can also try contacting their customer service or their customer support by clicking on the support option that you see on the home screen. Once you click on support, you can just type in your issue that you're facing and their customer service should help you out in fixing your issue. So these are the couple of fixes that you can try out. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.